Alright, here I have South Raft Road and Maptist Bottom railroad crossing here in Garret, Kentucky. Here I have the first signal. It has a safe train base, CSX and emergency information. The dot number is 227-881U and milepost CM017.54. The lights are all safe train topped by 24-inch incandescent lights. And over here we have second signal. Over here is latest to the Laggy, Kentucky. So we have a second signal. Let me walk over here. It's pretty sunny out here. Here I have a second signal. We have another safe train base. We have another CSX emergency information. And the lights are all safe train topped by 24-inch lights. And any GE bell from CSX and Amtrak. Over here is the relay case. There's no abandoned dot tag here. So yeah. Here you have South Raft Road and Maptist Bottom in Garret, Kentucky. Over and out.